Hello, today we will learn about Angular.js from the starting. Angular.js is a totally free and open source and developed by Google. It is used to create single page web application with MVC. It is a JavaScript framework. It's a library written in JS. Angular.js start with script tag. Whenever we have to attach our page, during that time this script tag is very mandatory. And then when you show ng, that means it is created in Angular.js. It means whenever we will show this tag, after that it will show this is Angular.js. If we will not use this, until it cannot be identified, this is Angular.js page. Its expression written in double curly bracket means whenever we have written in our code an and asterisk or f anything, after that whatever we want to print, that we have to written in double curly bracket between of that. After that our program will be run. Angular.js provide direct output without refresh the web page. We can call it data binding. And basic knowledge of JavaScript and jQuery is must. These all things are very important to learn Angular.js. And now we will learn how can we download Angular.js from the internet, from the browser. For that we have to visit our browser. After visiting our browser, and then we have to write angularjs.org. Right now we are on the official website of this. Now we have to click on download Angular.js. I have to click on that. As I have clicked here, and then it is showing latest version of that. And then it is showing CDN means whenever we will write our code, during the writing our code, if we will set this extension in our code in the script tag, and then it can be automatically work with the online. And whenever we will click on download, from there we can get the code of this. First of all, we have to create a folder in our desktop, as I am creating. And then we have to open this. After opening, in this we have to create a HTML page. To create HTML page, Notepad++ is very mandatory. If you are not having Notepad++, I will suggest to you, please download first, and then you will, as we are having here Notepad++, we have to open this. Okay. as we can see here. Now I have to open this. After opening, and then we have to write a little code of that. I will explain to you about script. How can we use this? As we have written this, now we have to write here ng-app equal to double quotes, because of after writing this, and then this page will be identified as a Angular page. Now we are writing here if we will write here like if we will write here, it will work only this section, means body section, but we have to we want whenever in this program, in anywhere we will write any code of Angularjs, this will run all of. For that we have to write this tag into HTML. Like this. As we have written here. Now, as I have told to you before of that, we have to return double curly bracket. In double curly bracket, we can write our code, whatever we want to print. Whatever we want to print, that output we have to write in that. Like we want to print here, hello world. This is our first program. Now we have to save this. This page has been saved. And now we have to link this code. Angular, if we will use this code, after that we don't need to download that, because we have to link this code in our page. After linking this code, then it can be as a offline. Now we have to give here full path of that. Now we have to give full path like this. As we have written here, now we are trying to run this program. As you can see, our program is running very well. Because of we don't have any kind of problem in our program, so it is running very well. If it will having any kind of problem, then it will not run like this. And it is showing this is the Angularjs page. Thank you.